Hey girlie. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. What if you wanted to leave your marriage, but the law said you could not unless a man agreed? Not your feelings, not abuse, not betrayal, just permission. Even in 2025, millions of women around the world face exactly this reality. Today, we are talking about the countries where women cannot divorce freely without a man's consent, approval, or legal cooperation. This video is not about attacking religion or culture. It is about laws, systems, and power, and everything you hear today is backed by trusted international research from the World Bank, United Nations agencies, Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, and Equality Now. Before naming countries, it is important to understand how this works. Very few modern states openly say women are banned from divorce. Instead, the restriction happens in subtler ways. Men are given unilateral divorce rights, while women must prove fault, go to court, return dowries, or obtain the husband's consent through religious or personal status laws. In practice, this creates a permission-based system where men exit marriages easily and women cannot. According to the World Bank's Women, Business and the Law report, many countries still do not grant women equal rights in marriage and divorce, either legally or in enforcement. In Saudi Arabia, divorce is governed by Sharia-based personal status law. A man can divorce his wife unilaterally without going to court. A woman, however, must file a case and prove specific legal harm such as abuse, abandonment, or non-support. If she cannot prove fault, her only alternative is khula, which usually requires the husband's consent and the return of her dowry. Without consent or proof, divorce may be denied. This creates a system where, in reality, a woman's freedom depends on a man's approval. In Qatar, family law follows a similar structure. Men have the legal power to divorce without justification. Women must approach the courts and either prove harm or seek khula. Khula typically requires the husband's agreement or financial compensation. Cases often take years, during which women remain legally married against their will. In the United Arab Emirates, reforms have been introduced, but inequality remains for many women under Muslim personal law. Men retain easier divorce rights, while women must prove fault or pursue khula. If a woman cannot meet strict legal standards or secure consent, the divorce process becomes long and uncertain. Legal equality on paper does not always translate into practical freedom. In Egypt, men can divorce instantly by declaration. Women must choose between fault-based divorce, which requires strong evidence and lengthy litigation, or khula, which forces them to give up financial rights including dowry and spousal support. While divorce is technically legal for women, it comes at a cost men never face. In Jordan, men have unilateral divorce rights. Women must file a court case, prove harm, or pursue khula. Even then, they often lose financial entitlements. Many women remain in marriages not by choice, but because the legal and economic cost of leaving is too high. In Iran, men can divorce at will, while women require court permission and must prove limited legal grounds such as abuse or abandonment. Without proof, a woman may be legally trapped for years. Although marriage contracts can include protective clauses, most women do not have the power or awareness to negotiate them at the time of marriage. In Afghanistan, divorce law is heavily male-dominated. Women often need male guardian involvement, court approval, and strong evidence of harm. In practice, most women cannot divorce without male consent or intervention, making freedom from marriage extremely rare. In Pakistan, men can divorce without court approval, while women must go through legal proceedings. Women seeking khula usually must return their dowry and rely on judicial permission. Delays and social pressure often prevent women from completing the process. In Malaysia, Muslim women are governed by Sharia family courts. Men have easier divorce pathways, while women must seek court approval and often face requirements of consent, proof, or compensation. Non-Muslim women are governed by civil law, highlighting how religion-based personal laws affect women's autonomy differently. There are also places where divorce is nearly impossible for anyone, but women are especially affected. Vatican City does not recognize divorce at all. In the Philippines, divorce is not legally available to most citizens, leaving annulment as the only option, which is expensive, slow, and inaccessible for many women. It is important to be clear. This video is not claiming women never divorce in these countries. Many do. But they do so by paying higher costs, surrendering financial rights, enduring long court battles, or depending on male approval. That is not equality. That is conditional freedom. Hey Girlie, if this video made you uncomfortable, that is because silence allows these systems to survive. Laws shape lives, and when laws favor one gender's freedom over another's, the result is control, not tradition. If you believe women deserve equal rights in marriage and divorce, support this conversation. Subscribe to Hey Girlie, share this video, and keep questioning systems that quietly deny women autonomy. Freedom is not radical. Equality is not cultural invasion. And a woman wanting to leave a marriage is not rebellion. It is a human right.